Hey everyone, I'm back. I'm super excited. I'm getting to unbox something I've been waiting on. It's a subscription box from the Neighborhood Witch. I only picked one for the month of October. So let's get to it. It's a big box. I'm super excited. Let's see how I'm gonna... Oh my goodness, this is taped really well. Oh my goodness. I feel like it's like Christmas. Like I'm trying to... Okay, so that outer layer is gone. Oh look, there's a Samhain sticker. That's so pretty. Shame I'm gonna have to ruin it. Okay. Tape everywhere. Literally. Okay. I'm just gonna keep it on my lap for ease of access. So immediately there are little spiders that glitter and black tissue paper. And then there's a, I don't know if you can see it, a Samhain card. And it has the correspondences, the colors, the stones, the goddesses, the gods, the powers. It's really cool. So I'm gonna keep that. And then there are two little notes. So I'm gonna keep that. Little sticker, little envelope. I don't really want to rip the sticker because it's cute. Okay. So a recipe for cookies, soul cakes. There's a little calendar. A cute little witchy pin, a couple of kitty stickers, a Ouija patch, a cute, like the message game, and a blood moon. That's beautiful. I can't wait to hang that up. So that was the first layer. Second layer, there seems to be some treats and goodies. More little spiders. Okay, so. Okay, this is a big box. Being very careful here. An incense sandbag. That's gorgeous. A little scroll. You guys! A cauldron! Oh wow! That's beautiful. I'm just gonna set that there, and I believe, okay. Look at this. That's so, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna put the sand back in there. Okay, so there's that. And then this little box here. Wow, she went all out, you guys. Pam, you're amazing. Okay, this is something delicately wrapped. Spirit animal, a cobra. Oh! I've always said the snake or the serpent is my spirit animal. That's crazy. Oh! Incense for Samhain. Beautiful. I feel like there's so much stuff. Oh my goodness, like how am I gonna get through my life here? Oh, I'm just gonna rip it. Like, I can't even be patient. Okay. Wrapped in tissue paper. Wrapped in tissue paper. Oh, a bath bomb. All right, I'm just gonna close that back up so I don't destroy it in my excitement. Okay, there's a little scroll here. It's a rubber band. I don't want to rip anything. Like, that's... And there's some sheets and extra goodies. A pendulum with a little black bag. That's beautiful. Wow. I'm just going to tuck that over there. Oh my god, there's like, it's never ending. Okay, there's more. I'm gonna have so much stuff to clean. Oh my god. A raven. Wow. That's beautiful. Eating hair. Okay, more goodies. Like, this is amazing. So, just if you were curious, I paid for this with my own money. Titanic graveyard dirt. Oh my god. That's insane. Oh, I'm not gonna open this. These are blank spell sheets. Oh, a cute little fairy. What is this? Little fairy bowls and plates. I'm gonna roll that back up. I hate to rip into these. Witchery black oil perfume. It's Graveyard Dirt is the name. And it smells like graveyard dirt. I'm like, wow. I'm like overwhelmed. So here's a little bag. Bloodbath. Wow. Oh my god, there's like more and more and more. So this was stapled to a card. Coffin nails. So this was stapled to the outside of that. And look, there's little nails in there. This is fantastic. This is amazing. Okay. Oh my god, there's more. There's like layers upon layers upon layers. I'm like, where does this end? Okay, so this is a Day of the Dead little package. It's a little skull. And there are bones. and a couple papers. And this says money for the dead. And then there's bread, a recipe. And then in it, there was this little box. I'm going to keep this box. This box is gorgeous. Oh my God. A gemstone skull bracelet. Oh my God, I'm wearing this today. I'm not even joking. And then this beautiful black skull. You guys, I'm going to use this to read my tarot cards on. This is, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Like this, I'm a little overwhelmed, actually. Divination incense. Oh, here's a little cat. Another little box. I'll get into it. Herbs! So, mullein leaf, wormwood, mugwort, catnip. My cat's gonna hate that. And witch hazel. That's all going in my cauldron. This is fantastic. And there's a knife and fork and spoon wrapped. It's there's a message called the Dumb Supper. So I'm gonna read that and get back to you on that. And oh, gemmies! Everyone knows I'm obsessed with gemmies. Snowflake obsidian. Natural cat's eye. Black onyx. Black obsidian. And bloodstone. Oh. Jesus Christ. Okay, I've reached the final. And it comes with 3 candles and an explanation. Oh my goodness, I'm a little overwhelmed by how amazing this is. I'm just gonna try and tuck everything back. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna do this without making a hot mess? I'm just gonna put that aside. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to Pam, who runs the Neighborhood Witch in the city of Halifax, where I live. This was fantastic. This was amazing. I am blown away. It is definitely worth the money. I'm actually speechless. And now I'm going to be probably purchasing the box for November. So what I'm going to do for you guys is, if you're interested, I'm going to link you down below. She has a Facebook, obviously a physical store. There's an online store. I'm not sure about shipping if you live in the States, so I guess that would be kind of something that you'd have to message her for. And yeah, wow. This is amazing. Love you guys.